السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome my dears grade 5 in language schools. Math is fun by شيماء سعيد. قبل ما نبدأ شرحنا النهاردة اوعوا تنسوا تشتركوا في القناة وتفعلوا الجرس عشان توصلكوا جميع مراجعات ودروس العام الدراسي 2020. بإذن الله هبدأ معاكم سلسلة مراجعات المراجعة النهائية لليلة الامتحان وامتحانات المحافظات اللي موجودة في الكتب الخارجية للعام الدراسي 2019 اللي هي امتحانات الأعوام السابقة، وهنحلها كلها في خلال سلسلة من الفيديوهات. هنبدأ فيديو النهاردة بأول امتحانين موجودين عندنا لمحافظة القاهرة. Answer the following questions. Choose the correct answer. 22.22 divided by 2 equals, you know that 2 in tens place divided 2 equals 1 in tens place, and another 2 in ones place divide 2 equals 1 in ones place. Then don't forget to put decimal point. 2 in tenths place divided by 2 equals 1 in tenths place, and another 2 in hundredths place divided 2 equals 2 in hundredths place. So the result is 11.11. Question number 2. The set of 2, 3, 6 and 12 intersects the set of factors of number 6. You know that the factors of number 6 is 1, 6, 2 and 3. So the common elements is 2, 3 and 6. After that we have 1.5 divided by quarter. Firstly, we will convert this mixed number into an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number by the denominator, then add the numerator. 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 over 2. Then convert this division sign to multiplication sign. Don't forget to get the reciprocal of quarter. 1.5 becomes 3 over 2. Then convert division sign to multiplication sign. Then write the reciprocal of quarter, which is 4. Now multiply 3 by 4, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. If the probability of pupil's success is 8 over 10, then the probability of his failures is the probability of the failures equals 2 over 10. When we simplify 2 over 10 in the simplest form, we get 1 over 5. Now calculate the quotient. 8.25 divided by 8, and then approximate it to the nearest tens. Okay. 8.25 divided by 8, we will use lollipop of 8. 8 divided 8 equals 1. Then multiply 1 by 8. After that subtract. Don't forget to put the decimal point. Drop down 2. 2 is less than 8, so we will put 0 and drop down 5. 25 divided 8 equals 3. Write 3. Then multiply 3 by 8 equals 24. Subtract again, which is 1. Okay, that's enough because here we have tens place and hundredths place, and we want to approximate this number to the nearest tens. 3 will not increase the value of tens place, so cancel 3 and we will write 1. Choose the correct answer. The longest chord in a circle is called excellent, diameter. Five hours plus 29 minutes plus 60 seconds You know that 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 1 minute plus 29 minutes equals 30 minutes. 30 minutes is a half of an hour, so the value is 5.5 an hour. The set of 7 and 10 subset from the set of 10 and x plus 3. Then x equals, okay, here we have 10 as an element and here we have 10. So x plus 3 equals 7. Which digit plus 3 equals 7? Well done. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So x equals 4. The smallest fraction in the following is, excellent, 2 over 9. Now multiply 1 over 25 by 50 by 0.25. We can say 50 over 25 equals 2. 2 times quarter equals half. 2 over 3 times missed number equals 1. Times its reciprocal times 3 over 2. Because we cancelled 3 and we cancelled 2 and the result is 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 over 6 equals 1. So 2 over 3 times 3 over 2 equals 1. In any triangle, the number of its altitudes is 3. Excellent. The shaded part represent, is it x difference y or y difference x? Y difference x. Here we have y difference x. 10 times 4.72. And on another side we have 100 times 0.472. When we multiply this number by 10, we move the decimal point one place to the right of the number. So this number becomes 47.2. What about 100 times 0.472? Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So the number becomes 47.2. The same number, so put equal sign. If x equals the set of 2, 5, and 4, intersect the set of 3, 5, and 7. Which elements are common? Here we have 5 and another 5. So 1 doesn't belong to x. A circle is of a diameter length 28 cm. Then its radius length equals half of 28, which is 14. Well done. Now 3.26 meter equals, how can we convert meter to kilometer? Well done, by dividing the number by 1,000. When we divide this number by 1,000, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So here we have one digit. Put the decimal point 2 zeros and write the rest number. 0.00326. The probability of the sure event, which is certain event, is 1. If x subset from y, then x difference y equals 5. Three, the set of factors of the number 18. Tell me about the factors of number 18. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So the factors is the set of 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. 3 belongs to the set of factors of the number 18. Complete. The number of days in 254 hours equals approximately 11 days. Divide 254 by 24. 8.43 times 0.9. Then approximate the product to the nearest hundredths. Okay. When we multiply, we will put the decimal point after 3 places. So the product is 7.587. After that, when we want to approximate it to the nearest hundredths, look at the thousands place. 7 in thousands place will increase the value of 8.1. So cancel 7 and write 9 here in hundredths place. So the number approximately equals 7.59. A bag contains 5 white balls, 9 red balls, and 6 black balls. All the balls are identical and equal in size. If a ball is drawn randomly, what is the probability that the drawn ball is white? Okay, how many white balls here? 5 white balls. What is the number of all balls? 5 plus 9 equals 14. 14 plus 6 equals 20. So the probability that the drawn ball is white equals 5 over 20. 5 over 20 equals quarter in the simplest form. Now another question. Calculate the probability that the drawn ball is not red. If it isn't red, it will be white or black. So 5 plus 6, white, black, 5 plus 6 equals 11 over 20. 11 the number of white balls and black balls. 20 is the number of all balls. Now draw the triangle APC in which AP equals 3 cm, BC equals 4 cm, and AC equals 5 cm. Then draw the circle M whose diameter is AC. We will use our ruler at first, then draw AB equals 3 cm. Write A and B. Then use your compass to draw PC equals 4 and AC equals 5. Join the line segments BC and AC. Don't forget to write C. Now you draw the triangle. After that, draw the circle M whose diameter AC. Okay, we draw the circle which the diameter is AC. Now the length of a piece of cloth is 9.25 meters. 12 towels are made of it, and the length of towel is 0.75 meters. How many meters are remainder? Okay. Firstly, we will calculate the length of 12 towels, which is 12 times 0.75 equals 9 meters. So the remainder equals 9.25 minus 9 equals 0.25 meters. Use the opposite Venn diagram to write each of the following sets. X intersect Y. X intersect Y, the common elements between X and Y, which is the set of 2 and 3. What about X union Y? X union Y, write all the elements inside X and Y, the set of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pay attention, the order doesn't matter inside the set. What about Z difference, the intersect of X and Y? Z difference, X intersect Y. You know that X intersect Y equals the set of 2 and 3. So Z difference 2 and 3 equals 5 and 4. We can use another way. Write the set of x by listing method 2, 3, 4, and 1. Y equals 2 and 3, z equals 5, 4, and 3. And it's so easy to calculate x intersect y now. 2, 3 common elements, so x intersect y equals the set of 2 and 3. What about x union y? Write 2, 3, 4, and 1 and don't repeat elements. Set of z difference x intersect y equals the set of 5, 4, 3 difference 2 and 3, which is 5 and 4. Now another test. Answer the following question. Choose the correct answer. 71.5 divided unknown number equals 0.715. What do you note? The decimal point moves 2 places to the left, so this number is divided by 100. If 9 belongs to the set of 3, 5, and x, then x equals 9. The number of altitudes of any triangle equals 3. Well done. 2,600 grams equals, we want to convert this gram to kilograms and then approximate it to the nearest kilogram, or to the nearest whole number, or to the nearest unit. Okay, firstly, how can we convert gram to kilogram? By dividing the number by 1,000. So put the decimal point after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So the number is 2.6. And if we want to approximate it to the nearest kilogram, we will cancel 6 and increase the value of 2 by 1, so 2 becomes 3 kilograms. 2 and 4 over 5, 2.16. Which one is great? We can convert this mixed number to a mixed number. Multiply 4 by 2 and 5 by 2. 4 by 2 equals 8, 5 by 2 equals 10. So we can write it as 2.8. 2.8 is greater than 2.1. If x equals the set of 1 and 2 and y equals the set of 5, then x union y equals all the elements 1, 2, and 5. 55 belongs or doesn't belong or subset or not subset from the set of 5 and 505? Doesn't belong. If we say element and set, we use belong if the element inside the set, or doesn't belong if the element doesn't inside the set. 5.037 approximately to the nearest hundredths. Look at 7 here in thousands place. 7 will increase the value of 3 by 1. So cancel 7 and increase 3 by 1, 3 becomes 4. So this number will be 5.04 to the nearest hundredths. 5 subset from the set of 2, 4, and 6. Because 5 subset from any set. 1.8 times 5 equals 9. Excellent. 98.7 times 100 moves the decimal point 2 places to the right. But here we have one digit, one place, so don't forget to put 0. The result is 9,870. Now choose the correct answer. If x subset y, then x intersect y equals x. AB is called chord. Excellent. Chord. But AC is a diameter. 54.523 approximately to 54.5 to the nearest tenth, which is 1 over 10. When tossing a die once, the probability of appearing an odd number equals 3 over 6 because odd numbers is 1, 3, and 5. Those are 3 digits from 6 numbers. So 3 over 6, which is 1 over 2. Now calculate the product of 1 and 2 over 3 times 1 and 1 over 5. We can convert this mixed number to an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number by the denominator, then add the numerator. 1 times 3 equals 3, 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 over 3. What about 1 and 1 over 5? Multiply 1 by 5, then add 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6 over 5. Don't forget to write the numerator. Now we will divide both terms by 5. 6 over 3 equals 2. Or we can say 5 times 6 equals 30. 3 times 5 equals 15. 30 over 15 equals 2. Any chord passing through the center of the circle is chord diameter. If the set of 2 and A equals the set of 7 and B, then A equals 7, B equals 2. 25.71 plus 3.5. We must have equal parts, so don't forget to put 0 here. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Write 2 and carry 1, and don't forget to put the decimal point after 2 digits. 1 plus 5 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9, and put 2. So the sum is 29.21. Complete. A circle of diameter length 3 cm, then its radius length equals 1.5 cm, because the radius is the half of 3. How can we calculate the quotient of dividing 25.25 by 0.25? We can multiply both numbers by 100 to convert this decimal number to a whole number. So it becomes 2525 divided by 25. Now we can say 25 divided 25 equals 1. 2 divided 25, it's can't, so we will put 0. 25 divided 25 equals 1, so the quotient is 101. If the set of 3 subset from the set of x plus 1 and 5, then x equals, which digit plus 1 equals 3? Excellent. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now find the result. 0.675 times 2.3 equals 3 times 5 equals 15. Write 5 and carry 1. 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 plus 1 equals 22. Write 2 and carry 2. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Then put 0 in one's place. 2 times 5 equals 10. Write 0 and carry 1. 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 1 equals 15. Write 5 and carry 1. 2 times 6 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. Then add the results. 5 5 plus 0 equals 5, 2 plus 0 equals 2, 0 plus 5 equals 5, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and write 1. The decimal point here after 3 places and the decimal point here after 1 place, so the decimal point is the product after 4 places. So the product is 1.5525. If we want to approximate this product to the nearest thousandths, look at 5 here in 10,000ths place. 5 will increase the value of 2 by 1, so cancel 5 and write 3 instead of 2. So the result is 1.553. A box contains identical poles. 6 poles are white, 9 red, and 4 yellow. Find the probability that the chosen pole is red. How many red poles? 9 red poles. What is the number of all poles? 6 plus 9. 15 plus 4 equals 19. So the probability of choosing pole is red is 9 over 19 because we have 9 red poles and the number of all poles is 19. What about not yellow? Not yellow, it means white or red. We have 6 white and 9 red. 6 plus 9 equals 15 over 19. Now from the opposite figure, find x union y. X union y. It means all the elements inside x and y. The set of 2, 3, 4, and 5. What about x intersect y? Means the common elements between x and y, which is the set of 4. What about y difference x? Which elements inside y and not in x? The set of 5. Excellent. X dash equals 6 and 5. Now draw the triangle ABC in which AB equals BC equals 6 cm and AC equals 4 cm. At first, we will use our ruler to draw AB equals 6 cm. Don't forget to write AP, then use the compass to calculate the length of BC. BC equals 6, so from 0 to 6. After that, draw arc 6 cm. Now we will draw AC equals 4. Use your compass again and draw the arc of AC, which is 4. They intersect at one point. This point is point of C. Then draw line segment AC and line segment BC. Now you've finished drawing your triangle APC. Many thanks, my dear. See you in next lessons, inshallah. With my best wishes, Shimaa Saieed.